Oh. Does augmented reality always mean a better reality? AR is getting hyped as a hot trend and innovative way for marketers to engage with consumers. But I'm not sure using gadgets is always a good way to make a real human connection. Is augmented reality marketing gold or just a sales gimmick? I'm Brian Jackson, and this is Express It. The concept of AR is simple. It requires three things: a camera, a computer, and a screen. You point the camera at a setting or an object, and it sees the reality. The computer processes that information and puts it in context. Then it adds another layer of information and displays it on the screen. When you look at the screen, you see the reality and the augmented information on top of it. Smartphones and tablets are the perfect way to access this type of interaction. Over the last couple of years, we've seen many apps launched to these devices offering AR. And what are these innovative programs being used for? Well, to sell you things, of course. Marketers have definitely taken some creative approaches to engaging people with augmented reality. Last year, National Geographic offered shoppers in Hungary a chance to step into the magazine's wild world. Shoppers stepped into an ordinary mall food court and looked up at a large projected screen. There, the environment around them was transformed to include wild animals, astronauts, and even thunderstorms. I like this campaign a lot. It created a new experience that could only have been had with the help of augmented reality. People in the mall look at the screen and they see themselves standing next to leopards. The technology behind the experience melts away, and the shoppers are able to directly engage with this new augmented environment. They're thinking about the experience, not the tech. This Molson Dry campaign from 2009 took a different approach. It had beer drinkers holding up their bottles to their webcams. Their computer monitors then displayed fun, animated 3D graphics being emitted from the bottle. It was an eye-catching effect, and this campaign did get a lot of users engaging online, but it was different from the National Geographic experience in one key way. It put an object in between the user and the experience. That creates a layer of abstraction that prevents the same level of engagement. Technology works best when it's invisible, not literally invisible, but when the user doesn't have to think about it. Molson has users calibrating their webcams with an object, and that emphasizes the mechanics of what is really constructing the scene, while the actual experience and the value of that experience is not really clear. Marketing promotions like this will work well for a while, but when augmented reality loses its novelty, people will see this type of product marketing for what it really is: a gimmick. For Express It and itbusiness.ca, I'm Brian Jackson.